Can we transfer TikTok drafts to new phone? Hi everybody. If you're wondering if we can do that or not, we can find out in this video. So for that, you can open up your TikTok application first and head over to your profile by tapping on this profile option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, your profile page appears. So what you can do is here in this section, you can easily find your drafts. So the only method to transfer your TikTok drafts to new phone is, if you are trying to transfer your account into a new phone, when you log in into a new account, it deletes all of your drafts. So the only method is uploading the draft, but if you don't want it public, what you can do is you can upload it privately. So you can tap on the draft that you want to save like this and tap on it. After that, what you can do is tap on next. And after tapping on next, here in this section, you should be finding an option that says followers can view this post. So go ahead and tap on it. And you can change your audience to only you. Tap on the last option. After that, you can go ahead and upload it. Tap on this post option. After it is uploaded, what you can do is head over this lock option, this one right here. Tap on it. And when you do, there you should be finding your draft that you have uploaded privately. So that is only the way to transfer TikTok drafts to a new phone for now. Otherwise, you can save the drafts into your phone automatically, and that should also help you. So that is it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.